What's up, YouTube family? It's your man Young Carlos here from Kickclusive. Today we got another exclusive video like always. But before we get there, make sure to give us a thumbs up or comment down below what you want to see up next. So let's get to the shoe of the day. Here we got a off-white Presto box. Nothing new, same we seen. Nike swoosh on the top. Inside out Nike. And then you got the off-white paper. So just like the black ones, these only come with one extra lace, which are gonna be orange. But then you got the white lace on it already. Compare out of both, this is a much cleaner shoe. Perfect for the summer. Just gotta make sure to be careful when you wear it. Don't wanna get them dirty right away. These are set to release August 3rd. So the black ones come out first, then you got these all white. So nothing different. Triple white shoe. Got the same tan color Nike swoosh on the shoe with the little orange box. You got the laces on the shoelaces, of course. Off-white tag. Got the off-white logo. Covered by the cages. Got the air in the back. The bottom looks super clean, must cop. If I had to pick out of the black or white, I'm gonna go with the white. These are available now, make sure to cop them. So these are gonna be a little more available than the first Prestos. Both the black and the white 2018 editions is gonna be the most quantity that Nike has produced for anything off-white. But as you already know, Virgil went to Louis V. These will still skyrocket, so make sure to grab yours. Up next, more picks and an unfit review. Enjoy.